Today, we're diving into some critical updates about online safety for kids and how CleanRouter fits into the bigger picture. Welcome back to CleanRouter channel. Online safety is a pressing issue, now more than ever. Recently, the Senate has made significant strides with a bill designed to protect kids from dangerous online content. This move highlights the growing concern about children's exposure to harmful materials on the internet. As parents, ensuring our children's safety online can feel overwhelming. That's why CleanRouter has been a trusted partner for families over the past 15 years. We take the guesswork out of online protection, providing a secure environment for your children. The Kids Online Safety Act, KOSA, recently passed by the Senate, marks a pivotal step towards enhancing internet safety for our youth. This legislation aims to implement stricter content moderation and create safer digital spaces for kids. It's encouraging to see these measures being taken at the national level. At CleanRouter, we've been ahead of the curve, implementing advanced content filtering to block inappropriate content. Our technology adapts to new threats, ensuring continuous protection. With KOSA and CleanRouter, we're moving towards a safer digital future for children. One crucial aspect of KOSA is its focus on preventing the spread of dangerous content to minors. This includes addressing issues like cyberbullying, exploitation, and exposure to violent or explicit material. These are real concerns that every parent faces. CleanRouter has always prioritized these issues, offering customizable filters to block unwanted content. Our mission aligns perfectly with the goals of KOSA. By using CleanRouter, you can rest assured that your family is shielded from these online dangers. But legislation alone isn't enough. Active engagement from families is crucial. That's where CleanRouter becomes an indispensable tool. With our comprehensive monitoring features, parents can stay informed about their children's online activities. This transparency fosters a safer and more open dialogue about internet usage. CleanRouter not only blocks harmful content, but also helps educate and guide children in making responsible online choices. Together with KOSA, we empower parents to take control of their kids' digital lives. The introduction of KOSA is a testament to the increasing awareness of online risks. However, implementing these changes will take time and effort from multiple stakeholders. CleanRouter, with its 15 years of experience, offers immediate solutions for families. Our technology is designed to integrate seamlessly into your home, providing instant protection and peace of mind. By choosing CleanRouter, you're not just adopting a product, you're joining a community dedicated to online safety. We stand ready to support the goals of KOSA and enhance its impact. CleanRouter's advanced features are what set us apart. Our real-time filtering technology ensures that inappropriate content is blocked instantly. Unlike standard parental controls, CleanRouter is constantly updated to tackle emerging threats. This dynamic approach keeps your family protected, even as online dangers evolve. Our easy-to-use interface makes it simple for parents to customize settings based on their children's needs. CleanRouter is not just a tool, it's a complete online safety solution. The recent legislative efforts underscore the importance of robust online safety measures. CleanRouter's commitment to protecting families aligns perfectly with these new initiatives. Our technology complements the objectives of KOSA by providing practical, everyday protection for children online. Families who use CleanRouter can trust that their internet experience is secure and tailored to their specific concerns. We're proud to be a part of this larger movement towards safer internet usage. Your family's safety is our top priority. A key benefit of CleanRouter is its ability to provide peace of mind. Parents can feel confident knowing that harmful content is effectively filtered out. This allows children to explore the internet safely and enjoyably. In addition to blocking dangerous content, CleanRouter also offers time management features. These tools help parents set appropriate boundaries on screen time, promoting a healthy balance. CleanRouter is designed to support the holistic well-being of your family. As we look to the future, the need for online safety will only continue to grow. CleanRouter is committed to staying at the forefront of this mission. Our ongoing updates and innovations ensure that we're always equipped to handle new challenges. We believe that every family deserves a safe online environment, free from the threats that lurk on the internet.